Okay, so let's take that syncopation method and then apply it to the 159. So I'm going to apply it to a 4-1 progression. So that's going to be F major 7 to C major 7. And so instead of playing these up here, the 1-3-5-7 voicing, we're going to play 1-5-9. So that's going to be F, C, and G. And then I'm just going to play in all white keys here in my right hand. And I'm still going to do the exact same thing that you did before with the syncopation method. So I'll play one note in my right hand for every 2 notes in my left hand. And yeah, I'll just go from F major to C major. So there I started off with just playing one note in my right hand, and then I went off to playing doublets or maybe playing in the C pentatonic. But you can really do anything you want here. So I would just start off with playing, so what you do is you play the first note in your right hand with the bottom note in your left hand. So if I'm on the F major 7, then I'll start off on any note in my right hand, and I'll play that exactly at the same time as the bottom note in my left hand. So you'll play that 1 first, so play the 1 first with a note in your right hand, and then you take the top 2 notes and you just do the exact same thing, like 1 note in your right hand for every 2 notes in your left hand, except this time you're playing C and G instead. So it'll sound like this. And then what I did is I played 8 beats there, just like we did before, and then I played the 1 again. So it's the exact same thing that you were doing before. It's just now instead of playing the chord again after 8 beats, you're going to play the 1 again after 8 beats, and then you can go from there to 8 more beats in your right hand, and then switch to the C major 7, but do a 1-5-9 voicing. So yeah, so you can use this with either all white keys or the C pentatonic. You can do the doublets, which is going to sound pretty good, because like if you... And the more like variety that you add to it, it's going to sound better. But you can just do that like a straight exercise here and just do the 1-5-9 with the syncopation for 1 note in your right hand. And then, after you're good with that, then you can move to doing either like an arpeggio with with 1 note in your right hand, 2 notes in your left hand. So I would just play the 2-3-5-7 here, which would be like G-A-C-E for the F major. So I could do my syncopation method there. So. And I was doing the 2-3-5-7 for the F major, and then I was going down to the 2-3-5-7 for the C major, which would be D, E, G, B. So just use this syncopation method for the 1-5-9, and try it with first just doing 1 note in your right hand for every 2 notes in your left hand, and then you can try with the doublets, the C pentatonic, and also those arpeggios that I was just doing.